For this video, we have an exciting tutorial on how to leverage ChatGPT for your content calendar planning. With this, ChatGPT can help you generate ideas, organize your schedule, and optimize your posting times. Let's dive in and see how ChatGPT can make your content planning more efficient and effective. Here we are at ChatGPT's interface once again. Here's how you can make the most out of it. Start by opening up a new chat. Just click here or right here. You can start right here. Then typing in a prompt to generate content ideas. Here's an example prompt you can use. Let's say, generate 10 content ideas for a tech blog focusing on the latest in AI and machine learning. There we go. With this, ChatGPT right here will provide you with a list of ideas. Let's see. As you can see right here, ChatGPT has provided a variety of topics. This is a great starting point for filling up your content calendar. You can refine these ideas by asking for more specifics or by combining several suggestions. Next, let's have ChatGPT help us organize these ideas into a content calendar. You can prompt ChatGPT to structure your content plan. Here's how. So click in the input, paste your prompt. So let's say organize the following content ideas into a monthly content calendar with dates, types of content, and notes. So what you're going to do here is select all of these content ideas if you're satisfied with using all of them. Then click reply after you highlighted some or all of them, depending on what you like. There we go, just for ChatGPT to be more specified. So now ChatGPT will process your request and create a structured calendar for you. Let's see. As you can see right here, ChatGPT has efficiently organized the content ideas into a calendar format, assigning dates, specifying content types, and adding relevant notes. It makes it easy to visualize and plan your content strategy. Before we move on, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Once you have your content idea organized, you can use ChatGPT to create detailed outlines for each piece of content. So let's say we want to pick one of the idea titles right here. Let's go with Exploring the Latest AI Breakthroughs in Natural Language and Processing. So once I picked an idea title for a blog post, I can just put together my prompt and have ChatGPT, let's say, create a detailed outline for a blog post titled, like I said earlier, this is the title that I picked right here. Here we go. So once I send this over, ChatGPT right here will provide you with an outline that might include key points and subtopics. Let's see. As ChatGPT currently processes with the results, now you have a clear roadmap for your content creation process. With this process, it helps in structuring your content effectively. There we go. Pretty impressive, right? Down to the conclusion. There. The final step is scheduling your content. ChatGPT right here can also assist in suggesting the best times to post based on your audience's engagement patterns. Use a prompt like this. Let's say, what are the best times to post tech blogs for maximum engagement? Let's say we can ask about tech blogs, for instance. So let's see how ChatGPT would respond with this. As you can see right here, ChatGPT has provided you here with data-driven suggestions. Incorporate these timings into your content calendar. By following these timings, you can maximize your reach and engagement. Pretty cool, huh? Here's another one you need to know. Remember, your content calendar should be flexible. Regularly review and adjust your plan based on performance metrics and audience feedback. Let's see how ChatGPT can assist in this prompt in the process. Let's say, analyze the performance of my recent blog post and suggest improvements. So, which blog post? Let's say I just recently created a draft blog post right here. Then, after I insert it right here, then I click enter. So with this, ChatGPT will provide insights based on the performance data you input, highlighting what's working and what can be improved. By following these suggestions, you can continuously refine your content strategy. ChatGPT can also help you with one of these prompts like identify patterns in my most successful content and recommend new content ideas. So let's see. Go reading documents. Here we go. See how ChatGPT has put into all the work with helping out coming up with new content? With prompts like this one, you can ensure your content remained relevant and engaging, making the most of your planning efforts. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using ChatGPT for content calendar planning.